welcome back to the channel. I haven't posted a video in a while. Just been busy with life and kids and stuff like that. But today, I lost my everyday carry knife that I have had for several years. So I ordered a new one, same brand that I always have carried. And I wanted to do a quick unboxing and little mini review of what I carry every day for my knife, SOG. This is a different model that I usually carry. I think they may have discontinued what I usually carry. It's kind of similar to this, but looking at their website and deciding which one I wanted to go to next, I went with the SOG Trident AT. That's what this is, and it just came different packaging than I've usually bought. Usually when I bought my SOGs, I would go to a retail store, like a Dick's, and they would have them in the store on sale or for sale in a sealed box, like a sealed plastic box. This one came a little different. It was just a little cardboard box, and that's just how I got it. I ordered it online. This was about 90 bucks shipped. I think it's on their site for between 90 and 100 bucks, but it's the SOG AT Trident, and I always get partially serrated. So let's take a look. So here it is in the box, and we'll go over a couple of the features, or how it is, how it's the measurements and all that stuff. This is what you get. That's what it looks like right out of the box. You can see that. It has an ambidextrous safety here. You can see the red here on this side and on this side. Thumb assist here, ambidextrous, and here, and another safety on top here, right? So your safety is off in the front position. This would be your slide lock here to close the knife, again, both sides, and then your safety there. So you would not be able to open the knife there. Push forward, hear the click, open the knife, and there it is. Partially serrated, and then the rest just a fixed blade. Slide back, close, lock. A couple of the other features of this knife is a window punch right here. If you're ever in trouble and had to punch a window, break a window, if you could see that right there. A little stud. Grab your knife, punch a window. Here's a couple more features on the SOG. This here, this little indent here, if you could see it, the blade is exposed. If you're ever trapped in a car or and you need to cut your seatbelt off, you can see that. You don't want to fumble through your knife and try and get the safety off. You just simply take that little indent, grab your seatbelt, cut right through. You can see the blade is fully exposed there. Or if you just need to cut a piece of rope and you don't want to open the blade, you have that option right here. Clip here, put on your belt, obviously. Clip here, like a rounded hole here. Sometimes when I go fishing, like trout fishing in a river, I like to tie my knife around my neck and just let it hang here. So when I have waders on or something like that, it's not down in my waders. I could just tie it here or clip it here and just grab it if I need it for to cut something loose, or if you ever get in trouble or you step in a deep hole, you want to cut your waders off, you have it right here. You can just grab it. The overall length of the knife, open, is just over 9 inches, I believe. So the overall length of the knife is a little bit over 9 inches, okay? The closed version of the knife is a little bit over 5 inches, and the blade length is 3.7, I believe, from here to here. Again, I always go partially serrated. That's personal preference, but I like a little bit of a serrated knife, and then, you know, straight fixed blade here. But that's just personal preference. If you like all fixed blade, no serration, you don't have to get that. It has the stippling here for grip, almost like people do on their pistol handles, like Glocks and stuff like that. You can see the stippling there, which I personally love. But again, all personal preference. But overall, there's definitely obviously better knives on the market, but I've been using SOG for about 10 years now. Different models than the Trident, but I've never had an issue with them, never. And for the money, I believe that this is one of the best bangs for your buck. SOG knives. And this is the Trident AT, and I'm looking forward to using this one for the next several years. Every one I've had has lasted me several years, and usually I end up losing them before they break. So hopefully you guys got something out of this. I'm not sponsored or anything like that. This is just my personal opinion and preference. I'll put the description in the bio of the video, and see what you guys think. I'll show you a quick cut on some paper here, so you can see how sharp they are coming from the factory. Very, very sharp knives, and for the money, in my opinion, this is what I'll stick with for now. SOG knives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.